Hello guys, my name is Schulte, and in today's video I will show you how I made century with the left hand on lineup exercise. The reason why I practice left hand just because I find lots of benefits, because you can reach certain shots without rest and pot them, and it allows you to be more mobile, and not only you improve potting but also you can be a little bit more precise with the cue ball and not think about certain comfortable positions for the right hand shots. So I'm practicing left hand since last year 2020 January, and for the first month I said to myself that I will make a century break, and at the beginning my highest break was 33. And then I said to myself that I could make century. I think it was a very big goal, but I just want to see how I can improve. And over 1 month time, my highest break was 96, and then I stopped. But it was like a challenge, you know. Like first week, first day after SA1 practice, I made 50 plus, then I made 60 plus, 70 plus. Then after a couple of weeks I started to make 80, 90s, and eventually 96. And now in November I started to practice again, for a couple of days, made 87 at the beginning, and then after a few days made my first century. And now in this video this is my first century, so overall I made 4 centuries, and with the highest break ever, 112. Of course, still, as you can see in this video, like I have lots of things to improve, let's say like my elbow position, my grip, but with the SA1 practice, quickly I improve my mechanics, shot making mechanics pretty well. And I'm sure that if I'm gonna put some work on and work at it, I could be dangerous player with the left hand. I can make in the game 30s, 40s pretty easily, which is I can see only benefits by doing this. So yeah, in the future I'm gonna make some videos where I will play switching hands, like right hand, left hand, right hand, left hand, to prove you how you can, by improving your hand, also improve some certain shots, potting, and also improve your cue ball control. So yeah, that's it from my side. Watch the rest of the video and share the feedback in the comment section. Have a good day guys, and good rest